UT Tyler Industrial Technology Program is designed to prepare graduates in supervisory management roles in technology fields. The outcomes that are beneficial to students is the ability to expose to hands-on technology along with problem-solving skills and the ability to solve complex problems.
In addition, many university-level industrial technology programs are called applied engineering programs. What this means is that students who want to be a traditional engineer but do not want to take all the math that is associated with such degrees will minor in business instead of math and earn an applied engineering degree such as industrial technology. Most of our students obtain employment in the local industries as well as those across the United States.
This program benefits industries by assisting in the workforce expansion and future infrastructure of Tyler, as well as East Texas. I feel that we give support for the manufacturing and distribution industries.
My experience in the industrial technology program was back in the 90s. I was a working student, so most of my classes were in the evening time. Most of the classes that I had were with other students that were like me, working adults. And so it worked really well for me, having to be able to draw from their experiences and go into class at the same time.
I'm having a wonderful experience in the industrial tech program at UT Tyler. I'm learning how to use tools you may see in an industrial environment and gaining basic knowledge of many different things to become more of a jack of all trades.
I've been a TA for the last 2 semesters. I first started working the metalworking class, and I would instruct students on how exactly to machine and lathe different materials and get different diameters. I'm learning firsthand how to use machines that I will use in the future. They have lots of counselors and advisors, and all of the professors actually will help you start and pick classes that will guide you through it easily enough so you understand all the material and then build onto it so that as you progress you understand more and you can teach more. And you can join clubs and groups and everything will work together, so the whole experience just wraps together into a solid piece of information that you can use for the rest of your life.
The Industrial Technology program at UT Tyler is designed to help students be prepared for working in industry in a variety of positions, such as industrial engineering, production engineers, supervisory, supply chain, and distribution positions. The program is unique because it is one of the only 2 accredited programs in Texas, and we offer several certifications within the program that makes the students stand out amongst others when applying for positions in industry. Our class sizes range from 20 to 25 students, and with the smaller class sizes, we're able to offer a little more hands-on with each student, which leads to an optimal learning experience.
For anyone considering the industrial technology program, I would highly consider it. Just me as being an example and alumni in that program, I've been able to work my way up through different organizations, including Train Technologies, where I'm currently the plant manager. A lot of the things that I've learned during that program, I apply every single day at work.
I consider the Industrial Technology program at UT Tyler a very welcoming place. All of our professors are very friendly, all of the students are very friendly. It's like a warm community where everyone has a place, and if you find your place, you can just bond together and you can learn not by yourself but with others throughout every class and every experience.